How to download and install OTR tool on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to download the OTR tool on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet, here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in OTR2 and search. Look for the OTR2 game from Dog Bite Games and tap on the install button right next to the game. Now wait for the application to download and install automatically. OTR2 is available for Android devices running Android 6.0 or later. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection and verify that your Android version meets the game's minimum requirement. The download process will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Simply install it from the Google Play Store and wait for the installation to finish. After it finishes, launch the game open and get ready to explore the game's massive open world filled with off-road adventures. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.